Alright. So when we got here yesterday, there was snow and spots. I think it dropped about 8 inches last night. 6 to 8 inches is what the news was saying. For an Austin, Texas boy, that's pretty amazing. But you just kind of see God, look at my truck, man. You can tell, look. You can't even see the top of my boot, man. This is the house we're staying at. Thanks to Mr. Jeff Schuster and his lovely wife, Pam. Look, there was no snow in my... I've got more snow in the back of my truck than we have in the entire town of Austin, Texas, probably ever. Ooh. So this house sits on a golf course. Down here. And we haven't been out this morning, so you can see the snow's pretty tore up over here. There's actually a herd of wild horses that live here. Oh. Oh, here's the back porch to the house. Man, beautiful hammock, tables, chairs. And that golf course is just covered in snow, man. Oh. It sounds really weird walking because I crunch. Wow. Wow. And that snow is deep, man. That's real snow. Like, my 9-year-old has only sneezed snow like this once this time. We got a couple light dustings in Austin last year, but nothing like this.